We are making blueberry muffin top cookies. You're supposed to cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter and then 1/4 cup of sugar. And then you need another 1/4 cup of brown. Cream it together. I'm committed to doing this without a stand mixer or a handheld mixer because I don't want to get it out and it's kind of loud. It's not going well. Oh, here we go. Starting something. Oops. It doesn't say light and fluffy, so I think this is fine. Yeah, it does. Add in 1 egg, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk again. Add in 1½ cups flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Oops. Fold it in. 1/2 cup of washed blueberries. Now you want to be gentle in your folding as to not smush the blueberries. I smash some. This only makes 8 cookies, which is great because I feel like I have willpower. I just don't like testing it. All right, I got 7. Let's see what I can do here. 8. I have raspberry jam and randomly some ube jam, so I'm gonna do both. Swirl it in there with a little chopstick. So jam has seeds. Wait, no, jelly. No, jam has seeds, right? Jelly doesn't? Is that the difference? 350 for 13 minutes. I put them in the oven and I forgot to do the streusel on top. Hot. 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/3 cup of flour, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of softened butter, and then a pinch of cinnamon. I think I'll be okay. Don't they look incredible? Mm.